night. High at the gate, facing the stars, Tarbell stands upon the high crag, his heavy phalanx raised in the wind. The sons of the mountains do not follow. Cheer is daca, we stand like the fir, until our last cry to the sky. But Roman steel marches on, tightly packed ranks a godly stride. Zoltz falls in the cruel rain, the blood flow is ever heavier. Pride blinds us, yet the heart perceives. Glory is smoke when the nation is lost.
The elf-horn of silence sounds. This is not flight, it is life. We leave the gate into the mist care, toward the council of the mountains.
The sons of the mountains do not perish. Shield wall, iron on. We fight today to live tomorrow, under the crown of the stars. Forest conceals us, the war has only just begun.